normal rocket stove setup. Wood goes in there, the air goes in at the bottom. 45-gallon setup with isolation, combustion chamber with secondary and third combustion oxidant introducers. The 45-gallon drum suspended on suspensors, and at the back an ashtray and an additional inlet valve. The water drum is then given a jacket, isolated to get hot air in from the combustion chamber right in to this section here. The outlet valve, then obviously the inlet valve, normal ball valve, and on top it is sealed. Then it would be fitted with a flute like that. This section here will be covered with a piece of metal right over here all the way to the top, so the air then will come in from here, come out, go out over here, so accumulate around the ridge, and then which would then be on this side and then out on the flute. And it will be tested tomorrow, and then I'll post another video. Isolation material, vermiculite, perlite, and clay cement, brick cement. I'm waiting for it to dry.